Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use ChatGPT for YouTube script. In order to use ChatGPT for YouTube script effectively, you should move beyond simply write a script command. Instead, you could use its collaborative partner to structure your ideas, maintain a unique voice, and optimize for audience retention as well. Now, instead of asking full script immediately, start by generating a structured outline. This keeps the logic sound and ensures you do not miss the key points. So what you want to do is you could simply type in create a detailed outline for 10-minute video about the topic and include a hook, introduction, 3 main section with a subsection and call to actions. Outline gives a strong foundation while leaving room for your natural voice during the actual writing or recording as well. And YouTube's algorithm prioritizes 30 seconds. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm multiple hooks that picks the curiosity as well. So this way you should be able to use ChatGPT for YouTube script. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.